Hi, welcome to Inner Bliss. This is for Tina, and we're doing a meditation on serenity. Go ahead and find a comfortable position. Allow yourself to ground into your seat or your mat, connecting with the earth and then connecting your crown chakra with the sky. Begin by shutting your eyes and begin to relax. Taking a deep breath. Now exhale. Taking a deep breath again. And this time as you exhale, empty your lungs entirely. Never allow your breath to feel strained or rushed. Just spend a few moments breathing in and out, centering yourself, turning inward, and discover your breathing at its own natural, unhurried pace. As ideas enter your mind, allow them to go without attachment. Begin to think of a place that you find that is beautiful to you. Let yourself almost smile as you picture this place in your mind. As you're picturing your beautiful place, be aware of your breathing. Continue to breathe in and breathe out. Keeping the picture in your mind, relax more deeply, still aware of your breathing. Begin to walk into the place you've pictured. Walk until you've come upon a place you'd like to stop and sit down. Imagine for a few moments yourself sitting in this place of beauty. Notice the area around you. It's what makes your place so lovely to you. Each detail adds to the picture of beauty in your mind. And acknowledge that you're part of this beauty. Sit still and feel the peace. The peace of being part of so much beauty. Let your mind think of how right it is to be there, be in so much beauty and peace in your world, and that you fit right into this picture you've created in your mind. Spend a few moments there, taking in everything around you. Continue breathing with every breath. Relax deeper and deeper into your happy place with you in it. Feel the calm serenity for as long as you like. Continue as you're walking through this area, this place of beauty. See and notice what you find around you. Take note of the simplest things, like birds or trees or pictures, buildings, or anything like that. Notice with each detail what it is that connects you to this beautiful place. How is it connected to your mind, your body, and your soul? Notice that your breathing is unstrained. It's deep and relaxing. Continue to breathe as your thoughts come and go. As you center on your breathing, let go of tension as your body falls into a state of peaceful quiet. Unclench your jaw. Relax your face. Your heartbeat and breathing are serene and steady. Your breathing is relaxed. Void your mind of all thoughts. Allow your thoughts to come and go like clouds in the sky. Feel your breath sinking lower and lower into your lungs. And notice how relaxed and peaceful you are in this place. As your time comes to leave this place, know that you can return at any time. All you have to do is let your breath bring you back by gently taking a couple of deep breaths, pausing for a moment, and remembering this place in your mind's eye. You may only return for a moment, or for many minutes, or hours at a time. But it will remind you of the sense of peace that is yours and that you have now. Feel the goodness of this meditation for a few moments. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Pick up your journal and write about your experience. Enjoy and namaste.